I got a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Doing a starter replacement on it. So how do we get it done? All right. First you take the battery cables off. It's 10mm bolts. There's 2 of them. Take the cover off. Take the air box off. Then you remove the throttle. And those are 10s also. And then the starter, as you can see, is down in there. Let me get under so you can see it a little better. Starter will always be in between the transmission and the engine. So as you can see, it's right there. Right there. All right. So, let's get these bolts off. He slides out of the way. Might have to take this plug off. Rather not if I don't have to, but there we go. Now, you can see that bolt. I'm using my magnet to show you. The bolt right there, and then there's one below it here. I'm gonna take those 2 off, which are 14mm. We have our little stubby one here, but we'll use the Titan, which will give you more leverage to break the nut loose. It's kind of hard, I'm using one hand. But just try to set that up. Alright, as you can see, we're on that nut now. Not as flush as we'd like to be. Alright, we're on. Pull down, which would be considered left. Broke it loose. I'll come back in a second once I've taken those 2 bolts out.